Okay, may grade 10 students, para sa ating ikatlong example, meron tayong series na 108 plus 103 plus 98 plus 93 plus and so on plus 13. Bago pa man natin ito i-solve, i-analyze muna natin. Katulad nga ng lagi kong sinasabi, importante sa math yung naiintindihan. Hindi lang importante yung math marunong tayo mag-solve, pero ang pinaka-una natin gawin dapat ay dapat naiintindihan natin. So pag kinuha natin yung sum nito, ano ang magiging sagot natin? Initially, syempre, ang sagot nitong lahat ng to ay positive pa rin kasi sila ay mga positive integers. Ano pa ang kakaiba sa example number 3? Ang example number 3 ay ang series niya is going downwards or pababa. Ibig sabihin, ang common difference natin ay negative. So, information muna tayo. Yung ating mga given ay first term natin is 108. Last term natin, 13. Or the nth term. Then, the common difference is, it decreases by 5. It decreases by 5, so it is negative 5. Then, the n or the number of terms. Ilang terms lahat to? So, mahirap nating bilangin, no? Kung ilang terms, kasi marami pang mga terms na nirepresent lang natin ng and so on. Or marami pang terms dito between 93 to 13. So, wag na lang nating bilangin. Ang gagawin natin is isosolve natin kung ilang terms meron tayo. So, yung una natin gagawin is to solve for n. So, again, para ma-solve natin yung n, gagamitan natin ulit ng n-term formula. A sub n is equal to the first term plus the difference of n and 1 times the common difference. So our n term or the last term is given, which is 13. And then the first term is given, which is 108. Plus, hindi natin alam yung n, kaya n minus 1. Tapos yung common difference is known, that is negative 5 times negative 5. Next step, combining like terms. 13 is a constant term, 108 is a constant term, so combine, transpose to the other side. Next step would be 13 minus 108 because 108 is positive. Pag nilipat natin sa kabila, magiging negative. So pag nilipat mo to, ang matitira dito, ito na lang, equals the quantity of n minus 1 times negative 5. So, 13 minus 108, obviously it is negative 95. Equals, copy the rest, n minus 1 multiplied by negative 5. To eliminate negative 5, divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5 divided by negative 5 is 1. 1 times n minus 1 is n minus 1. And then negative divided by negative, according to the rule, it will become positive. So, positive 95 divided by 5 is 19. So, n minus 1 is 19. So, what is n? What number is n minus 1 equals 19? So, this is 20. 20 minus 1 is 19. Therefore, n is equal to 20. So, we have our n already. So, therefore, we may proceed doon sa ating solution para sa sum. Sum is equal to, this is the last step. Sum is equal to the number of terms divided by 2 multiplied by the sum of the first term and the last term. Equals, ilan yung ating n? 20. 20 divided by 2 multiplied by, what is our first term? First term is 108. Plus, what is our last term? 13. Okay, we have a complete information. Masosolve na natin yung ating sum. So what is the sum now? 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 108 plus 13 is 121. So 10 times 121 is 1,210. Therefore, the sum of these numbers from 108, 103, 98, where it goes down by 5, until 13, the sum of all these numbers is 1,210. Para sa ating number 4 example, numbers between 20 and 150 which are divisible by 3. So, ang kukunin nating sum is the series of numbers between 20 and 150. But there is another condition. It must be divisible by 3. So, what are numbers divisible by 3? So, divisible by 3 is the same as multiples of 3. What are those? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on, and so forth. So, between, nasa pagitan ng 20 at 150 na divisible by 3. So, ano yung magiging arithmetic series natin? So, ang magiging series natin is, we begin with 20? No, because dapat between. Ibig sabihin, pagitan lang, hindi kasama 20 at 150. So, ano yung nasa pagitan ng 20 at 150 na divisible by 3? So, yung 21. Yung 21 is divisible by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. Okay, next divisible by 3 is plus 3. 21 plus 3, 24. Next, plus 3, 27. Plus and so on. The question is, what is the last term? Ano ang ating magiging huling term? So, between 20 and 150. Yung 150 ba divisible by 3? Yes. So, kung yung 150 ay hindi kasama kasi between lang, pagitan lang nila, boundary sila, hindi sila kasama, ibig sabihin, kung kasama to sa divisible by 3, magbawas lang tayo ng 3. 150 minus 3, the last term is 147. And if you use your calculator, 147 divided by 3, the answer is 49. The answer is 49. So, it is divisible by 3. Okay? So, information. In the given, we have the first term, 21. We have the last term, 147. And we have the common difference of, it increases by 3, obviously. And then, the number of terms ay hindi pa natin alam. But this is a primary requirement in the formula. Ibig sabihin, kailangan muna natin siya i-solve. Siya yung ating unang isosolve. Okay? Solve for n. Solve for n. Formula again is the n term. Okay? And then by substitution, the last term or the n term is 147 is equal to, first term is 21 plus, we don't have the n, kaya copy lang natin yan. Common difference natin ay 3 times 3. Combining like terms, lipat si 21 sa kabila, transpose, copy 147 minus positive will become negative, minus 21 is equal to, pero kung ito ay negative, pag nilipat natin, take note, siya ay magiging positive. Equals, bring down n minus 1 times 3. So, 147 minus 21 is 126 equals n minus 1 times 3. So, to eliminate, para matanggal natin 3, divide both sides by 3, divided by 3. So, therefore, what is next is 126 divided by 3 is 42 equals n minus 1. So, what is the value of n? Negative 1 transpose to the other side. Negative 1 ay magiging positive 1. 42 plus 1 is equal to n. So, n is equal to 42 plus 1 is 43. Therefore, mula 21 hanggang 147 ay 43 numbers. 43 silang lahat. Okay? So, ready na tayo para i-solve yung ating sum. So, the sum is equal to n over 2 times the first term plus the last term, or n over 2 multiplied by the sum of these two. Yung n natin is 43. Substitution, divided by 2. First term natin is 21. plus last term natin 147. 43 divided by 2 magiging decimal. Kopyahin na lang natin. 43 over 2. 21 plus 147 is 168. And then, eto mas magandang cancellation na lang tayo. By 2, 1. By 2. Anong kalahati ng 168? 50 plus 34, 84. So therefore, 43 times 84. And that will be your answer. 43 times 84. Okay. 12, 1, 16, 17, 24, 2, 32 plus 2, 34. 2, 11, 6, 3. 3,612. The sum of this series, or the sum of numbers between 20 and 150 which are divisible by 2. And that is all. Sana natutunan ninyo, and kung may tanong, feel free na i-contact ako. Yun lang. So pag-aralan na maayos sa module at abangan ang magiging summative test. So God bless sa inyo. Mag-aaral na mabuti.